Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. We are Group 4 from J4CEEM1104D and today we would like to present our industrial visit assignment for the subject MEM360. This presentation is based on our visit to Sama Mahe Sendirian Berhad, located in Plentong, Johor Bahru, Johor, where we were given the opportunity to observe various manufacturing operations and gain exposure to real industrial practice. Before proceeding to the company background, we would like to briefly explain the roles and responsibility of each group member throughout this industrial visit assignment. Shaib was responsible for identifying a suitable company and selecting an appropriate manufacturing processes for this project. Nay was responsible for collecting information regarding the company background, product manufacturing, and manufacturing process involved. Izul was responsible for gathering information related to safety practices, technologies employed, quality control, and production challenges observed during the industrial visit. Lastly, Aisha was responsible for compiling the collected information, editing the presentation video, organizing the video content, and assuring the final presentation meet the assignment requirement. Through effective teamwork and collaboration, we were able to successfully complete this industrial visit assignment. Before we begin, here is the content of our presentation. We will discuss the company background, product manufacturing process, safety techniques, and technologies employed. Problem faces during production, discussion, continuous quality improvement, CQI, and finally the conclusion. Company background. Sama Mahe Sendirian Berhad was officially established in 1998. However, the company operation originated from an earlier business before being restructured and operating under the name Sama Mahe Berhad. The company specialized in metal casting and manufacturing industries, producing various engineering components for industrial applications. Among the manufacturing processes carried out by the company are 3D precision printing, pattern making, molding, melting, casting, CNC machining, laser derusting, and quality inspection processes. The company manufactures a wide range of products including cast iron product, automotive components, impellers, marine components, and other industrial machinery parts. Although the company utilizes many manufacturing processes, our group will focus specifically on the melting process because it is one of the most important stages in metal casting production.
Sama Mahe manufactures various industrial and engineering products such as cast iron products, automotive parts, impellers, and machine components. One of the key manufacturing processes used by the company is the melting process. Melting is the process of converting solid metal into molten metal by applying extremely high temperatures. This process is essential because the molten metal will later be poured into molds to form the desired product shape. During our industrial visit, we observed ferrous metal materials being fed into a cupola furnace for melting. Inside the furnace, the metal is heated at very high temperatures until it reaches a molten state. During this process, sparks can be observed due to the high temperature reactions occurring inside the furnace. We were also told that the furnace operators will continuously monitor the melting process to ensure that the metal reaches the required condition and temperature. After the metal is completely melted, the molten metal is transferred into a ladle before being transported to the casting section. Before pouring the molten metal into the mold, a special powder material may be added to help improve metal quality and reduce impurities. The molten metal is then poured into the mold cavity where it cools and solidifies into required product shape. One of the most interesting experiences during the visit was the opportunity given to several students to participate in pouring molten metal into the molds. It also provided valuable practical exposure and enhanced our understanding of the overall manufacturing process. This process is critical because the quality of the molten metal directly affects the quality of the final casting product.
Safety is one of the most important aspects of the melting process because workers are exposed to extremely high temperatures, molten metal, heavy equipment, and potential workplace hazards. Before entering the production area, all students were required to comply with the company's safety regulation and standard operating procedures or SOP. During our visit, we wore safety jackets that were properly zipped and buttoned to ensure safety while moving around the factory. For female Muslim visitor, the hijab was required to be tucked inside the safety jacket to prevent it from getting caught in machinery or equipment, which could lead to workplace accidents. In addition, all visitors and workers were required to wear safety shoes to protect their feet from heavy objects, sharp materials, and other industrial hazards. Based on our observation, workers will also wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE, such as gloves and safety shoes. Throughout the factory, various safety signage were displayed to provide warning, safety instruction, and emergency information. We also observed fire extinguishers strategically placed around the facility to ensure quick response in case of emergency situations. These safety practices demonstrate the company's commitment to maintaining a safe working environment, particularly in high-risk areas such as melting and casting sections. Besides safety measures, the company also utilized several manufacturing technologies such as cupola furnace, CNC machining system, laser derusting technology, and 3D precision printing to improve production efficiency and product quality. For quality assurance, the company performed inspection and quality control procedures to ensure the product meet customers' requirements and industrial standards.
Although the melting process is essential in metal casting production, several challenges and defects may occur during manufacturing. Some of common casting defects include porosity, trapped gases, impurities, shrinkage defects, and surface imperfections. This defect can affect the strength, durability, appearance, and overall quality of the final product. Based on our discussion, maintaining a stable furnace temperature and proper handling of molten metal are important factors in producing high-quality castings. Proper worker training, regular equipment maintenance, and effective quality control procedure can help reduce manufacturing defects and improve production efficiency. For continuous quality improvement or CQI, the company continuously focuses on improving product quality, production efficiency, workplace safety, and customer satisfaction. Regular equipment maintenance, employee training programs, process monitoring, and quality control inspection can help reduce production defects and improve operational performance. The adoption of modern technologies such as 3D printing and CNC machining also contributes to better precision and manufacturing consistency. In conclusion, our industrial visit to Sama Mahir Sendirian Berhad provide valuable exposure to real industrial manufacturing operations. We gain a better understanding of the melting process, safety practice, technologies employed, quality control measure, and challenges faced in the metal casting industry. This experience allows us to connect the theoretical knowledge learned in MEM360 with actual industrial application. Thank you for your attention.